Ito na ang Grand Raffle Draw winners ng Recibo Panalo. Ito 20,000 pesos. Ang para kina Trixie Ira Bailon, Amalia Go, Jeffrey Castro, Francisco Parica, Annalyn Calisay, Francis Presiona, Giselle Bumaya, Alexa Auditor, Faye Espejo, at Lilian Dominguez. Tumataging na 50,000 pesos. Sina Michael Pula, Leonilo Ramos, Sidney Verdeflor, Jonathan Ibanez, at Jeneline Ann Celestino. At ang Recibo Panalo Grand Winner ng 1 million pesos tax-free, John Clifford Carinyaga. Congratulations, winners! And salamat sa lahat ng nakilahok. Abangan ang susunod na GMA Radio Recibo Panalo. Ang GMA Radio Recibo Panalo promo ay hatid sa atin na Alaxana Ball, Celine Blonde, Enervon Z-Blonde, Rexidol Forte, Crimsilk Vitamin Boost Conditioner, Sunsilk, Super Radio AM Nationwide, Barangay FM Nationwide. Visit GMA Radio Promos and Events official Facebook page for complete details. Summer runs from December 14, 2025 to January 31, 2026. For DTI First Rate Permit Number FTED #243600 Series of 2025.